Hey YouTube, how is it going? And welcome to my channel Coding Beetle. So today I'm back with another episode, or sorry to say another tutorial, where I will teach you more about href tags. Here today I will teach you how to link anything within the same web page. Suppose I have already created some lorem ipsum codes, and let's go to website and see how it looks. It looks exactly like this. So we have to go down every time to see that what is here. Suppose we have a page which is very lengthy, and you want the readers to be able to go at different places wherever they want, wherever they think it is necessary. So suppose the reader wants to go to the information part without reading any of these, because maybe he or she already read these. So for that, let's go to information and surround it with link tags, and within link tags we will give the attribute name attribute, and let's write here info. Remember, this name we have to write to make the link. Let's move at the top and see. In href you have to remember to write the name exactly how it is written. But one thing you have to remember every time, that before writing the name we have to put a hashtag symbol before that, to say that the thing that it is searching is within this page itself. So let's write here information, and let's say to the browser, refresh. Let's put a beer tag here, save it, and back to the browser, refresh. Yes, now it looks good. Now let's click on this information page, information part, and see where it goes. See, it went directly to information. So if you want, you can create multiple link tags within the same page by simply enclosing the thing that you want to move to within a tag, and with the name attribute, give a name to it, save. Let's move back. Let's copy this information, a bit lazy, Ctrl+V. Let's change this to contact, and here to contact, save. Let's head back to the browser, refresh. Let's zoom it a bit more. Yes, now it will work perfectly. Let's click on contact. Here it reached the contact part. So you can keep on practicing this at home, and till then, goodbye, and don't forget to like this video, comment on it, that what you like about it, or what more you want to learn, and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And till then, tata, stay good, and what? Nothing. Let's meet you in the next video.